Hey, Nancy, interesting. Guys, I don't believe kwi-BDSM. Ndiyayoyika i-BDSM, mna BDSM society, BDSM activities. Hey, ndine-triggers. Lena uba uzawube undikhafa, ubundi-blindfolder, ubundi-choker. Hey, ndine-trauma. I'm not saying I'm bleeding on umuntu endithandana naye at that time, but I cannot allow you to come and choke me. I cannot allow you to come and blindfold me. Like, how are you gonna pashkwai mi ngingakuboni? How? Yangikhafa sningning. I'm bitten. But now, there's this thing that I've learned. Ngangibukele ku-Showmax. It was called... was it Sex and Pleasure? I think that documentary was Sex and Pleasure, where they were talking about all the dynamics of sex, everything that you can think about sex, pills and potion, the fetishes, the toys, the sexual, what do they call this? The sexuality of a person, sexual identity and all that. And then until I heard these people saying a BDSM is a beautiful thing. And the reason that it's a beautiful thing, it's when it's a symbol of trust. Yes, it's a symbol of trust, because it means that you can trust your partner with your life. When they doing that choking thing, you know they won't choke you to lose your breath. It's when they whooping your ass with those things that they whooping, you know it's not going to be painful. When they cuffing you, you know very well that you are still safe. They won't do any harm to you. It made sense, right? That they said it's another level of trusting your partner while you're not able to do anything. Eh, Madam Nastil. It sounded so beautiful. It sounded so profound. It sounded so... I don't know how to put this, but I really took notes on it. But a problem now, it's doing it. It's initiating it. It's initiating it. Imagine, I'll take a big shy last week, and then you boy left. It's, hey baby, as I want us to try this BDSM thing. Would you agree? If you can't clear lunch mnyango, akushiye. Mase manje kufasa nezandla. If ukhona ukupotoza lo muntu lona kuvuvukalisa amehlo. Phinde futhi uvuma ukuthi akublindfold. Njani? Kanjani though? Like, I mean, it's like I don't understand. Uvumela kanjani? Or BDSM is for people that have never hurt you? Is it BDSM for people that you've never encountered any kind of insecurity yakho being hindered around them? I don't understand. But from now, I don't think it's for me. As much as abanye abantu they believe ukuthi izinto ezi zabo fetishi nanani into zabelungu. Other people say that, and that is why most of times we would find that our society, they doing dark things because they don't want to be out there and be open about how they prefer their pleasure. And then now they do it behind doors, and they don't do it right because they don't even do the research. Ngoba they are scared to be judged. Ngoba bathi lezinto izinto zabelungu. I believe, I stand to be corrected, but I believe it's one of the things ezenza ukuthi sibone other things being so heinous in our society, because people, they don't go out there and do their researches. People, they don't go out there and be so open about saying this is how I prefer my sexuality. It's because what of the society is expecting of us, what the society has been saying about our sexuality, how we are judged about it. But now, if you were that person who's so bold and go out there, find the what you call it, find more information about how you prefer your sexuality, I don't think most of things would be misinterpreted. I don't even think that if we were that society that speaks about such things and being exposed to them, you would misunderstand when your partner does things to you, because you would understand what they doing to you, and you've discussed it. Or would say, this is baby how I want my sexuality, and you, the next person, being open about it. Or it's okay baby, let's try it. But now if you come to me, you start doing strange things to me, and say uhamba ama-police station, usuke kuma-police station ngento wena you were not even intending to do or meaning to harm your partner. Let us be open, guys. Let us be a better community. Let us be out there. We are sexual beings. The day we learn to accept that and stop making other things as if it's taboo, and making other things or give other things to other races, understand that you are a human being, you are a sexual being, things will be better. Go to a sex expos, kunama sex expo, learn what your partner wants, and if definitely it's not who you are or what they want, if you don't believe in those things, allow them to go out and explore. If you don't want to be part of it, go find someone who believes in the same things as you. That's all I wanted to say, but I still say I'm so scared of BDSM. I'm scared that it just triggers me. I don't know when will I, as much as I'm so aware of what goes down there, but I've realized that it's definitely not something I would do because of my personal reasons, and knowing that they do trigger me. Go out there, go find your sexuality, go out there, understand yourself better, and go out there to be with someone who understands exactly what you like, not without being judged of being a weirdo, without being judged that you are a pervert, because we misjudge people and we end up calling them names. We're labeling them ngamagama angekho because we don't understand. We're not exposed. We don't do our research. That's all I wanted to say.